one of the most common misinformation that we always hear. Will filing the claim automatically raise my rates? I understand from everybody's perspective. As a homeowner, you don't want that rate to go up. As a business owner, you're thinking about the bottom line. As somebody who's on the board or the HOA board, you still have all these people that you have to answer to if these rates go up, if you make a decision or they feel like the decision was made. If you file a claim, your rates go up. It's just not universally true. Rates are based on risk pools. So you need to understand that filing the claim is not punishment for using coverage. Let's go a little bit more. You only have one chance to submit damages. That's false. Most policies allow supplemental claims when additional damage is discovered. So if you find more damage, if you need a second opinion and you got a second opinion, you find more damage, you can submit that. That's supplemental. Here's a good one. Engineer said it was wear and tear. Did they say that conclusively, or was there other language being used, such as possibly, could have, could not be determined? Speculation is not causation. When they speculate or they're not giving a definitive answer, because that's what you hire an engineer for, right? You want a definitive answer. So if that engineer or the carrier sends an engineer out and they give a possibly answer, then that's real misinformation, because you got to read these engineer reports so you can really see what they're writing. This is one I've come across sometimes also. There's no interior damage, so there's no coverage. Wind damage does not require interior leaks to trigger coverage. That's just misinformation. If the shingle is damaged, if there's wind damage or hail damage, then it's coverage. It does not require interior damage for coverage to be triggered. Misinformation thrives when insurers do not read the policy or adjusters rely on summary statements instead of contract analysis, right? Or really looking at what the policy says.